You're welcome once again to Maths and Physics class. Today we are going to start the second aspect of standard form. But in this, we are not going to be changing or converting expanded to standard form numbers. We are going to be converting standard form number to expanded form. We are converting standard form to expanded form. So let us go on this. So let us look at this example. We want to convert this standard form 5.72 times 10 raised to power 3. We want to convert it to expanded form. So how do we do this? Now look at it. We have 5.72 times 10 raised to power 3. So 5.72 times 10 raised to power 3, if you follow the concept of our last videos, you will know that this power 10 or power 3, the power of 10 that is power 3, came from the right. It came from the right. So if you want to change it now back to expanded, it should go to the right. Positive power came from the right. So I will now have 5.72. So it will also go back to the right if I want to have it in expanded form. Now, how do it go? It will move 3 steps because it moves 3 steps from the right. So for you to stretch it, you must also move 3 steps to the right. So let us go. How many numbers do we have here? 2. I have 2. So it's not complete. So for me to have it complete, I must add 0. So it now becomes 5720. That is the equivalent of this one. So 5.72 times 10 raised to power 3 is something as 5720 because 2 numbers after points, and we are going to the right, I must add 0 to make it 3. Now look at the second one. If I have a number that is 63.591 times 10 raised to power 5. This is not a standard form number, but it is written like a standard form number. Why is it not a standard form number? Because this number is not between 1 and 10. But you can be given numbers like this, or you can solve questions and you have this. And if you are asked to expand it, you should know how to do this. Very simple. Now, having it positive power, it means that the decimal point came from the right. So what do? You have to multiply this one or to add the remaining from it to make it 5 steps. Now, the number of digits you have after the decimal point, since you are moving to the right, is 3. There are 3. So to complete it, you must add 2 zeros to make it this 5. So this number now becomes 63591. That is the original number. I'll add 2 zeros to make it 5. So 63.591 times 10 raised to power 5 is something as 6359100. That is what we are talking about. Remember, when you see positive power, meaning to change to expanded form, you must move it to the right. If you see positive power, I will repeat, in your 10, power of 10, and you are multiplying with any number, your decimal point must move to the right, because positive is to the right of your number line. That is what you use to remember this. So let us look at it, third one. If I have 4.6053 times 10 raised to power 2, what will be the equivalent of this number? This one will tell you that what I need to do is to move my decimal point to the right, because it's a positive power of 10. Move it to the right. How many steps? 2. Now this is where my decimal point is. So I must move it to 2 places. So where are the 2 numbers? 1, 2. So the decimal point will definitely come to this place. So for me to change this number now to expanded form, it will become what? 460 points. Because that is where the point will be, because I'm just moving only 2 places. 2 places. I'll move it to 60. That is the 2 places that's moved. Then I have my 53. So 4.6053 times 10 raised to power 2 is something as 460.53. So please, we have just used this example to discuss 3 possibility of three possible numbers or three possible ways that you can apply standard form, changing from standard form to expanded form. Now we are given a number that is between 1 and 10. We know how to move that. We also have a number that is greater than 10. We have also discussed that. All you need to do is to do what? Know the number of steps you have to move to the right because it is positive. Then just move it. If it is not complete, if the digits that are after the decimal point are not complete, equal to the number of power, what you do is to add zeros to it to complete it. That is what we did here, and we also did here. But here we are not having zeros. We have 2 steps to move to the right, and the digits were more. So just move it to the 2 steps and stop. That is how we are going to end that. Move it to steps, the number of digits, and stop, and that will give you solutions to that. Thank you for watching. Please continue to follow us, like our page, comment, share, and subscribe to our channels on our platforms. Maths and Physics class is the name. Thank you for watching.